Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Ghost, and this is another edition of our weekly prep where I give you guys my best setups coming into the week, focusing on a few tickers and just making sure that we have a game plan in place. So, without further ado, let's get into it. First ticker we're going to be looking at is SPY ETF. I'm going to be going over my favorite setups for the upside and the downside and which levels I'll be playing this week. So as you can see, last week we did break that previous all-time high level, that 565.39 level. So you can see we got this gap up, retested. As long as we hold this gap up, I'm most likely going to be looking for upside. Overall trend, I'll play some downside in between the levels, but I won't be overall bearish until we lose that gap up. For the upside setup, what I am going to be looking for is us to get this retest above this 570, at least to get it up above 569 and then go target that 570.19. What I would like to see is something similar to this. I'll give you guys an example. If we do get this test, I am looking to see it get a reaction at this 571.09 level, hold this level, and then get that break above so I can enter into some calls above this 571.09. If we do just straight break through both of these resistances, I am going to be more cautious entering the long position and be looking for more of the retest to happen. But if I do enter, it'll be a risky and probably a lot smaller position size, and I'll be looking to trim up into this previous all-time high levels. And then for the downside setup, what I am going to be looking for is something similar to this. Once we do get a move in, it breaks below, bouncing and holding this support just for the retest and coming back down. I am going to be looking to enter here for a full conviction. Here will be a early entry, looking to get that quick scalp into this area, and then we'll see if we can get that continuation down. But I will be looking for downside setups just once we do break below this gap up. So that's it for SPY. Let's get into QQQ. So for QQQ, I usually use it for Confluence because I trade mostly SPX or SPY ES. So I use it as a Confluence for the setups that I'm looking at on those tickers. So what I'm going to be watching for this week is us starting to build bases above this 483.63 for the upside setup and holding this area. As long as we don't close this gap up that we had, just similar to SPY, I am going to be looking for us to continue this trend up. If we do get a retest on QQQ, still has room, but I won't be looking for that bearish setups until we lose this whole gap up, similar with SPY, and that's at that 475.99. I do see QQQ could stall, maybe retest a little deeper, and then bounce it even higher, as we could see some divergence this week between QQQ and SPY. So those are the two main tickers I wanted to focus on and watch coming into this week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to be bringing out a lot more YouTube videos. I know I haven't been very active lately, but I will be coming out with some trade recaps and some favorite setup videos.